Cueball, we transform your rooftop space into powerhouse of clean energy with our state-of-the-art solar customized solutions. From meticulous planning to seamless execution of solar power projects, we try to deliver optimal output for your solar power plant. We ensure optimal output from your solar power plants that we have installed, ensuring full reliability, and we go beyond customer expectations. For all your solar needs, you can contact Cueball Private Limited to ensure the best of solar technology with the maximum performance.